In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Gumroad. So the first thing I'm doing here is going to gumroad.com and logging into my account. Once I'm inside the dashboard, I'm heading over to the products section because this is where everything starts when you want to create something new to sell. From there, I'm clicking new product, and that opens up the setup so I can start building the listing. Now I'm entering my product's name, and this is just the title people are going to see on the product page. Right after that, I'm choosing digital product since this is something customers will get online instead of a physical item. Once that part is set, I'm moving down to the price field and entering the amount I want to charge. I'm just making sure that looks right, and then I'm clicking next to move forward. At this point, I'm in the section where I can set the product details, so now I'm filling that out and getting the listing ready before I upload the actual file. This part is where the product starts to come together, and I'm just working through it normally, making sure the details are in place and everything looks the way I want. Once that's done, I'm heading over to the content tab because this is where the digital file itself gets added. Now I'm inside content and I'm clicking upload files. That opens the file picker on my computer, so from here I'm selecting the file I want to sell and then clicking open. Gumroad starts uploading it, and I'm just giving that a moment to finish. Once the file appears, I can make a couple of small adjustments right here. If I need to, I can rename the file so it looks cleaner or easier to understand, and I can also add a description. That can help make the product feel a little more polished without doing anything complicated. Once that's done, I'm taking a quick look over everything. I've logged in, gone to products, clicked new product, entered the product name, chosen digital product, set the price, clicked next, filled in the product details, opened the content tab, uploaded the file, and then made any small edits I needed. If everything looks good, then the last thing I'm doing is clicking publish, and that's it. Once I click publish, the product goes live on Gumroad, and now it's ready for people to buy and download. So the whole process is really just creating the product, setting the basic details, uploading your file, and then publishing it when everything looks right.